I love them. We don't get them in England.
No, we're from England as well. Really.
Yeah, we don't get them in England, that's why.
Rubbish.
I hope it doesn't poke my eyes out. Oh, you're so cute.
Sugar.
I've always wanted to do this. Yeah, they love sugar.
His tongue is like
It's disgusting. The tongue is disgusting. Ah, okay. He doesn't want to be touched. Sorry. Now I'm gonna stay like this. So you guys are from England as well?
Yeah,
Whereabouts?
yeah, we're from Poole and Dorset. Amy from Ireland. Yeah.
It's nothing. The beaches are nothing.
No.
Where are you?
Luton.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's so cute. What about the other one? Oh, he's eating bread.
Still eating the bread.
Yeah, he's having bread.
Put it in his
Yeah, it's like the tongue. I didn't expect this. I was just holding the sugar and it jumped on my hand. She doesn't like birds.
Those ones are okay. I really don't like those ones.
No, not the seagulls and pigeons. We have a lot of them in England.
Yeah.